So we go to HQ, check out the damage,
and find PJ Robot.
This feels so wrong without Owlette.
We have to try. Maybe if we get the PJ crystal back, Amaya will get her PJ memories back.
Let's do it. PJ Masks, we're on our way. Into the night to save the day.
Poor HQ.
PJ Robot, where are you? Are you okay, little guy?
I know. Romeo's out there. Let's check the picture player. Oh.
Romeo's working away in his totally enormous flying factory?
And up against him is me and you and
Owlette? Yeah, but Owlette, you are not going to like this.